What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you've been waiting for the next breakout meme play with real community power behind it, Aster Inu is definitely one to watch. The chart is already showing strength, the community is definitely growing fast, and the vision taps into Aster's mission of seamless cross-chain connectivity while keeping that meme energy we all love. It's early, it's hyped, and it's setting up with serious potential. Welcome back, guys. Alright, you've seen how AsterINU is setting itself apart with community power and cross-chain vision, and now the chart is backing that up in a big way. The token is fairly new and has already built strong momentum, and it's holding a market cap of over $500,000 and liquidity close to 90,000. The balance between liquidity and market cap is a healthy sign this early on, and it's showing that there is real depth in the pool and not just hype-driven buys. In the last 24 hours alone, we've seen more than 73% growth, and the buy-to-sell ratio is leaning bullish with over 2,000 buys compared to about 1,600 sells. This is a steady wave of new buyers, and it's exactly what you want to see in the first days of a project, and it actually means that new money is consistently coming in. The chart itself shows exactly that story, because after the initial spike and some pullbacks, prices found a floor and now is building higher support, with the latest move showing a clear breakout toward the upside. These are the classic signs, because this kind of consolidation that is followed by strong recovery candles means that the project is shaking out weak hands while smart investors are loading up. And with volume over $1 million already and more than 750 holders, it's more than clear that the community is scaling fast. Early entries at this stage have a huge potential to ride a much bigger wave as marketing expands and listings roll in, and if momentum continues at this pace, the current levels could look like a steal compared to where Aster Inu could be trading in the weeks ahead. What is also worth highlighting in this video is that the marketing push behind this project right now is absolutely insane. Their name is literally everywhere, as you can see. They're blasting across X, Telegram, TikTok, and even hitting news outlets, so no matter where you scroll, you're catching AsterINU content. That is exactly why the community is exploding right now and why all these holders are stacking up daily. As you can see, the adoption curve is kicking in way faster than most early plays ever managed, which is why this project has a massive potential. It's trending on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and Gecko Terminal, which are all the hotspots where Degens hunt for alpha, and that tells you that the volume and interest are beyond real. I have to say that it's definitely not stopping there, because AsterINU already locked listings on CMC, CG, and AveDex, with even more central exchange and DEX listings lined up. As you know, that kind of visibility this early is very rare, and it's exactly what separates the projects that stay stuck in the shadows from the ones that actually go viral. This is exactly the setup we've seen fuel some of the biggest runs in 2025, and AsterINU is showing all the same early signals. That being said, guys, if this momentum keeps building, we could definitely see it flip into a full-on send that prints serious gains. With the way their volume, their listings, and their massive hype are all lining up, this chart looks primed to keep climbing as new eyes flood in. This just means that bags loading now could age like fine wine when the next leg sends, so don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.